They are trying so hard to divide us so that they can conquer us. And this only hurts women. Let me explain. God created everything in order of importance. In other words, God didn't create Adam and start wondering, where am I going to put him? No, he started by creating the earth, and then he put Adam on earth. And Adam was able to be alone on earth for a little while, which substantiates my point that women need men. Men want women. We don't need them. Men can be by themselves and thrive because we love peace and we can handle boredom. Most women cannot. This is why you see them chasing fun, chasing entertainment. The moral of this video is that we need each other. But if women are going to buy into this false narrative that I'm an independent women, well, that only hurts women. Bonus point, men drive way much better than women.